Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Contribute Cloud Software. In this tutorial, we will look at how to create a workbook and start a lecture. From the dashboard, click the Create New Workbook icon. You're then going to give your workbook a name, a subject and a brief description, then click the Create Workbook icon. Now we have entered the editor. The editor allows us to either create a workbook slide using the built-in slide editor, or we can add our own material as we've seen in other tutorials. Here we are using the slide editor to create a slide. We have added some text. Now, we're adding an image to the slide as well. When I press the Save Lecture Slide button, the preview will generate on the left-hand side of the screen. I can click on the preview to see a full screen view of the slide. I'm also able to add material from my own computer, or from any of my cloud storage drives. Simply click on the location of the file that you want to use, then you can upload the file. Now, we are ready to invite participants and start the lesson. You can either use one of your pre-made class lists, or you can add a participant manually by entering their email, and then clicking Send an Invitation. Once you click on Send Invitation, the lecture will then start. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.